Hi everyone, nice to see you again. So I tried this ice dye and it was my first time, and this shirt turned out beautiful and it's so nice. I love it. It shrank a little bit in the wash, but other than that, perfect. I'm definitely gonna try it again and into different materials. So if you want to see how I made this one, please keep on watching. Thank you so much for watching, and please leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Bye.